The Samsung Galaxy S24 series will most likely be unveiled by Samsung sometime in late January or early February 2024, which is based on previous Galaxy flagship announcements that happened at that time of the year. Samsung currently prefers to showcase its new flagships in late January or early February, based on the majority of prior Galaxy flagship launches, giving the company a nice head start in comparison with its main rivals. For now, we don't anticipate Samsung to veer from this path and announce the premium flagship earlier or later than this period. So, make sure to circle all the dates in late January or early February 2024, as this is the most likely time when we're going to see the Galaxy S24 Ultra announced. 2 or 3 weeks later, the next Galaxy should hit the market, either in late February or perhaps early March 2024. Galaxy S24 Ultra expected price. We don't expect Samsung to raise prices and sell a more expensive Galaxy S24 Ultra. The starting price will likely start at $1,199 for the 256GB version, $1,299 for the 512GB one, and $1,619 for the range-topping and super premium 1TB version of the flagship. That was the pricing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we are hopeful that those price tags will remain set in stone. Phone model 256GB of storage, 512GB of storage, 1TB of storage. Galaxy S24 Ultra. $1,199, rumored price, $1,299, rumored price, $1,619, rumored price. Galaxy S23 Ultra. $1,199, $1,299, $1,619.